Alright guys, now we're going to do some calculus dose. Alright, Cal 2 is mostly the derivative, which is the integrals, which is the antiderivative. So everything we did in the first video, we're just going to do the opposite. So we're going to have a function, let's say like x to, let's do this one. It's an easy, simple one right here. Alrighty, what you do is you take this number plus 1 this time, alright, so you got 5. You put it under the original number, which is this, okay? And then you got x to the 5th, this cancels out, so it's just going to be x to the 5th. Okay, now if you took that derivative to check yourself, you find x to the 4th. Now that matches that, so you did it right. That's what I love about math. You can check yourself, especially with these integrals. These integrals are a pain in the ass. Alright, I did it kind of wrong. Actually, it should be plus c. Kind of messed up there. Let's do another one. Let's do a better one. Alright, this is the integral. This is the integral sign. That's what it looks like. Alright, let's just do a simple one. 2x, alright? And then some teachers, like, you gotta have all this, alright? This is just going to be x squared plus c is your final answer, okay? Now how did I do that, okay? You got x to the 1 with a 2 there. You add the 1, you take that number, which is 2, so you got x2, and then you take that 2, put it under your number in front, alright? So it'd be 2 over 2, which is just 1, so you got 1 there. Now, don't forget this plus c I have here. I forgot to put in the first problem, but always put that plus c. I had so many teachers take off points or the whole thing was just wrong because I didn't put that c. So make sure you put that c there. It makes it's a big deal in math sense. Alright, and so is this dx here, okay? Make sure you put those. Now let's do a little trickier one. Got 1 over x. Alrighty. Now, this can really just be negative 1, right? Because if you x to the negative 1 is just 1 over x. Now, let's do the same way. So you plus 1, which is 0. So you got 1 over 0. Oh, that ain't right. You can't have that. 1 over 0 is undefined. I did something wrong, right? Exactly. What this one is actually going to be is natural log of x. Because if you remember from Cal 1 video, what was the derivative of natural log? 1 over this times the derivative, which is just 1, so it's 1 over x. So that looks like that, so that's got to be the answer. Easy stuff. Alrighty, let's do got a little cosine here, cosine of x here. Now that's just going to be easy peasy, sine of x there. You just got to know those. There's no real mathematical way to find that. You just memorization, doing it. Alright, let's give you you guys want to do a tricky integration? We can do a really tricky one. It's a pain in the butt, but let's see if I can still remember how to do it. Alright, we're going to have a 2x cosine of x squared. This should be freaking fun. Alright, don't forget that dx. I keep forgetting it, but you guys shouldn't. Teacher will get mad if you do. Should probably do this on the next page, but hey, screw it. Alright, you got the u substitution. Now, u substitution is you just take a u and you pick a number. Pick one of the functions. So you can have this, or you can do this. You want to use this one, because I'll show you why. You take the derivative of that, du, which is 2x. And now, the reason I did that, I should go from this page. Hold on. Alright. Integral. Okay. Take the u, x squared. Du is 2x. So that's perfect. Perfect. Cosine of u du. How easy was that? Easy, right? Now we know that. It's the sine of u. Now, don't forget, that's a u, so make it sine x squared. Now, check it, don't forget to check. Cosine of x squared times the derivative of this, 2x. And isn't that what we had? Boom, baby. It's what we had. That's a little bit of Cal 2 for you. I could go into a lot more difficult integrals, but you guys probably wouldn't be able to follow if you haven't taken the classes. So I don't know if I'll go there. Integrals are the hardest thing you're going to do in Cal 2. You just got to know what to do. You just got to do them and do them and do them if you want to know from someone who's taken the class already. Do your homeworks, do some extra work. It's time consuming, but you can get them done. Let's see if I can think of anything else to do. Not really. Alright guys, that's all. Tune in for Cal.